Zendesk Sell Base CRM is a comprehensive tool designed to help sales professionals and teams manage their customer relationships and streamline their sales pipelines. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that highlights your sales activities, deal progress, and key performance indicators. The interface is designed for simplicity, making it suitable even for those new to CRM systems. One of the standout features is its pipeline management system. It allows you to visually track the stages of your deals, providing a clear overview of where each opportunity stands and what actions are required. You can customize the stages to match your specific sales process, ensuring the CRM aligns with your workflow. Adding deals is straightforward, with fields for client details, expected close dates, and deal values, giving you a complete picture of your sales opportunities. Another powerful aspect of Zendesk Sell is its contact management feature. It centralizes all your customer data, including contact information, communication history, and notes. This helps ensure your entire team stays informed and provides a consistent experience for your clients. If you're looking to improve productivity, Zendesk Sell offers automation features to handle repetitive tasks like follow-up reminders and email campaigns. Its integration with popular tools such as Gmail and Outlook ensures seamless communication and data synchronization. For teams, the collaborative features are invaluable. You can assign deals to team members, share insights, and track collective performance with real-time updates. This fosters transparency and helps teams stay aligned on goals. Zendesk Sell also includes robust reporting tools that allow you to analyze your sales performance in detail. With customizable reports, you can track metrics like conversion rates, sales velocity, and revenue forecasts. These insights empower data-driven decisions to improve your strategy. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to enhance your CRM and sales knowledge further. Pricing is another important aspect to consider, and Zendesk Sell offers plans tailored to different business needs. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, there's likely an option that fits your budget. The platform provides a free trial, so you can explore its features before committing. Overall, Zendesk Sell Base CRM is a powerful and flexible tool that can transform how you manage your sales process. Its user-friendly design, automation capabilities, and detailed reporting make it a strong contender for sales professionals and teams seeking a comprehensive CRM solution. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and insights into business tools and technologies. Thank you for watching.